stick of butter, 1 cup light brown sugar, light corn syrup. We're gonna put half a cup of this in. Beautiful. Now I have some spiced apple cider, and I am just gonna add 1 package of this, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and we're gonna put in a little bit of salt. And we're gonna give this a good stir to combine. We're making a super easy fall treat today. Super fun to share at parties, and I think your guests are really, really going to love this. All right, you can see that it's boiling here. I'm just using my whisk. Perfect. All right, I'm gonna turn the heat off, and I'm gonna move this off of our heat here. Alrighty, in the meantime, I'm just grabbing an empty pie plate, and I have my Philadelphia no-bake cheesecake. Now, of course, you can make your own. I'm just using this kind because it's quick and easy. Perfect. Look at that gorgeous cheesecake. So easy. I am just gonna spread this into my pie plate. Now, of course, you can use softened cream cheese or whipped cream cheese with some powdered sugar and combine that with some Cool Whip, a little bit of lemon, just to make your own really quick, delicious cheesecake treat if you prefer. Alrighty, I'm just grabbing my caramel sauce right off of the stove here, and we are just gonna drizzle that right on top. How good does that look? Oh my gosh, looks amazing. I love caramel, especially for the fall. And we can just give this a nifty little spread here. It's still a little warm, but not as hot as it was. Obviously, we let it sit for a moment there. Now to the top of my caramel sauce here, I'm gonna use some semi-sweet mini chocolate chips because I just love how small and adorable they are. And I'm gonna use this fun nut topping. These are just small pecan and peanut pieces. Fill this in just like that. Ooh, the chocolate, the nuts, this smells so good, y'all. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna pick this up. I have got a round cutting board here. I'm just gonna put that right on top. And I've got a variety of apples. I've got some that are red and sweet. I've got some that are green and a little more tart. Just really whatever you like and prefer is good. I think both go really well with this. So this side, I'm gonna add a little bit of pretzels. Because who doesn't love a sweet and salty combo? Pretzels are the perfect antidote to that. And now, y'all, we are ready to dig in. This is such an easy crowd pleaser. Your guests this fall are gonna really love this. What goes better than caramel apples in the fall? Oh my God, it's so good. Y'all, you gotta try it.